half tablespoon of yeast and 140 ml of water. 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Now we're gonna just mix. And 2 tablespoons of flour. So you mix and then let it rest for about 10 minutes. So it's olive oil, salt, and you're gonna add the flour step by step. The batter has to be a little bit sticky. Now we're gonna rest the batter for around 30 minutes until it doubles with a towel on. After the batter grows, we're gonna put oil in the pan and throw our batter in here. We're gonna distribute right here. Okay, after 20 minutes, we're gonna pop our thumbs in the batter and make some holes. Now we're gonna put some coarse sea salt in here, just a little bit. And for finish, we're gonna put a drizzle of oil here. Now we're gonna bake the stove in for 35 minutes by 200 degrees. Whoa! You can eat with cream cheese or with tomatoes, with garlic, whatever you want. Bye!